I don't know what to... Hang on. Don't... The hell is that stuff? What are you doing? I don't know what to do today. Why are them apples in the bag? they don't grow in the bag, do they? They grow on a tree. But they've put them in a bag. They were only £1. I've got my best hat on and I still don't know what to do with it. Look at that. It's like a flying saucer. See it? I would have come down a bit because I've got my glasses on. Look. Look. Like a flying saucer, that. Oh, spooky. That's spooky, that. You've got a case of giggles to death. These glasses, they make a trendy. I got them from a petrol station years ago. I think they were £1. They might have been £1. Hey, take it off, take. Oh, look at that. You're like a Terminator. I'll be back. Hang on. That's my no flag. People. Cut my eyes. What's some? Left, right, left, up, down and around and a dingy dong a ding. And my eyebrows are doing it as well. Look. Look at my eyebrows. Up, down. Eyebrows. Doing the eyebrow dance. Look. People. I don't even think it's been recording, man. I don't know, that little red light's not on. Have a look. Don't think it's working, that. Is it working? Hang on, see if I push this, this might do it, this might put it on. Hey, and you're listening to KLDDBBCDGBD. I can't see that little red light on. Is it working? Yeah, it's not. I'll try again anyway. Hey everybody, you tune in. I can't remember now. The dog's biting me as well. I don't think it's working. Ow! I don't think it's working. It's definitely not working because I can't see a little red light on front of it. And over there's a little red light on front of it. No. I'll try it again. Just a minute. Try it again. I'll see if it's working now. See if I can get it up. Ow! Dog's still biting. Don't bite. Come on then. Lay up. Oh. No, I mean, I didn't even have to. I don't think it's working though. It's not working, man. Right. I'll try it again. I'll have a look. Oh, I've got my headphones on and I can't hear you because I'm going to do a thing about like on my radio or something. Alright. There, hang on. Go down. We'll try it again. You're listening to KLBB. That dog's biting me. You're listening. Right, don't do it. You're only playing it. Get down, man. I can't even. Ow. Get. Lie on even. Look. See that? See the wire? What's it? What's that? The fuck's that, man? Look. Hang on. Is it working, that? I've got a thing here, look. Look. Hang on. It's not focused in on it, is it? It's focused on my nose. Look. That was on my tongue, that. That's fucking this. Sorry, mind my language, but that had those guzzled in, man. Look, what is it? I back them. Look. That's on my tongue. That's. What is that? That might be an alien. Could be an alien. I bet my dog thinks I look like an alien. Yeah, why eat it? Might have been some air coughed up. I don't know. Hey, you're listening to KLBBYTG BBC 3 and 4 CRBBC. And it's, look, it's still not plugged in. I bet I look like off a Doctor Who. A Cyberman, I do Cyberman. A Cyberman off Doctor Who. Look on this, you know. That's not. He's knocking him. He's knocking him. He's knocking him. God, he's knocking. That's my nose, that. I've got a big nose. God. Go on then, you keep jumping up. You want to be on telly. I'm on your pump, you're tickling my wires around. What is it? You see? Yeah. Alright, baby. This is Milo. He's about. He was born October 23rd in 2009. So he'd be October, November, December. He's about 15 months old and he drives me mad. He's mint. Now hang on, let's zoom it back away. We're going a minute. Look there, he's lovely. He's mega giddy. He's mega giddy. Now he's like being cool for telly. What do you mean I've still got my headphones on? Have I? Oh, you're right. It's doing it. Hey up! Hang on. Go down, do whatever. No, oh, don't jump up. I'm going to do a video in a minute. Where am I?